gonna start the real work, man. We're gonna grind the shit out of it. Let's do this. So, grinding. Look at the result. Savage. Now I'm gonna start up here, all grinded, the base all grinded. Some rust converted a point, and I am Darth Vader. Tava lixando lá, tudo resolvido. Woo! We have the container. A lot of work. Eu sou Darth Vader, man. Woo! It's a lot of work, guys, but I will get it done. Tiger. It's a lot of work, a lot of equipment, it's a lot of sweat, a lot of pain. It's funny, man, on the camera my hair looks really great. É uma trabalheira, galera. Suador, dor. Ó a coquinha. But it's moving forward. Engraçado, meu cabelo parece muito cinza, grisalho, mas não é assim, não. Trabalhando, carregando as baterias, we're charging batteries and using power cord, drills. I'm using everything. Tô usando tudo que eu posso, cara. And it's going. Let me show you. So here, already rust converted, and there, the white part, all that I did with the grinder. It's going, man. A lot of work. Love you. Bye. That's it. Continuing. At night, with a working light, generator, and that beautiful sunset. Let me show you. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. Bugs. But we need to do it, right? We really need to do it. Isso aí, gurizada. Trabalhando à noite com uma lâmpada de trabalho. O gerador, os mosquitos comendo, mas olha aí. Deixa eu sair da cena aqui até tirar uma foto. Yep, that's it, guys. É isso aí, meu pôr do sol aqui na frente de casa, no Caribe, em St. Croix. That's it, my sunset here in the Caribbean, St. Croix. Enjoy. Kisses, love you all. Vamos, galera aí, beijo.